What's the matter, Emma? What's the matter? What, are you trying not to laugh?
So you're like,
No, she's trying not to cry.
So why is she upset?
She's a quitter. And a bad sport.
Oh, I see a tear there, honey. I thought you were laughing. Oh, Emma, you know what? Life isn't fair, honey.
That's one must
your
leave.
face is like.
What, is she crying because you have more money than her?
Yeah,
we get them.
She
You know
always
what?
does. That happened last time too.
You know what? If I shed a tear over all the people that have more money than me, I would never stop crying. Because everybody has more money than me, Emma.
The richest person in the world has like, she gets like $120 billion each day. Or
No, she gets $1 million a day.
no, something.
You putting your hat on,
20
Emma?
billion.
Is that your blue hat for when you feel blue?
No, nobody even has $10 billion. There's some people.
Honey, let's see a smile, okay?
You're so gullible.
It's okay to feel sad, honey.
You got a huge
Poor.
lip.
She's just tired, huh?
Oh God, a big lip.
Alright, go, Kayla.
Oh.
In your face.
This is a very greedy game, you know. It's all about getting ahead financially.
What's that? 4, 5. I know. It's just a game.
7, 8. Visit in-laws.
It's very real.
And payday. Okay, give me $100,000
See,
bucks.
Emma's
and-
mad because she's bankrupt.